Deposit Section 231. A deposit is money received by a company as a loan or under any arrangement, excluding specific exempt transactions. Key aspects of deposits. 1. Nature of receipts. Deposits encompass various forms of monetary receipts by companies, including money received as loans, amount received in advance for the supply of goods or provision of services, any amount received under any scheme or arrangement, whether in cash or otherwise. 2. Exclusions. The definition of deposits excludes certain specific transactions such as amount received from banks or financial institutions, amount received as security deposits for the performance of contracts, amount received from directors or any person who is not a shareholder of the company. 3. Regulatory framework. The acceptance of deposits by companies is regulated under Chapter 5 of the Companies Act, 2013, and the Companies Acceptance of Deposits Rules, 2014. These regulations aim to protect the interests of depositors, ensure financial stability, and prevent misuse of funds by companies. Provisions and compliance. 1. Conditions for acceptance. Companies intending to accept deposits must comply with specified conditions, including obtaining prior approval from shareholders through a resolution passed at a general meeting, filing of a deposit repayment reserve account with the Registrar of Companies, ROC, complying with prescribed limits on the amount of deposits that can be accepted relative to the company's net worth and other financial metrics. 2. Disclosure requirements. Companies are required to disclose details of deposits accepted in their financial statements, including the amount of deposits, terms and conditions, interest rates, and repayment schedules. 3. Penalties for non-compliance. Non-compliance with the provisions related to acceptance of deposits can result in penalties for the company and its officers. It may also lead to restrictions on the company's ability to raise further funds through deposits. Importance and impact. 1. Source of funds. Deposits serve as an important source of funds for companies, particularly smaller enterprises, providing them with working capital or funds for expansion without resorting to equity dilution. 2. Investor protection. Regulatory oversight ensures that companies manage deposits responsibly and provide adequate safeguards to protect the interests of depositors. 3. Compliance and transparency. Strict adherence to deposit regulations promotes transparency in corporate financial dealings and instills investor confidence in the company's financial health and governance practices.